handwritten thank you notes after I do an estimate?
I like them, but here's the thing that, and I'm just going to be real with you, and he's not here, but Eddie Gonzalez, who came over from hospitality into commercial real estate, got Easton University. He's now one of the kingpins of commercial real estate in Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, Eddie and I would go back and forth on this one all the time. Eddie's the greatest writer of handwritten notes. Maybe it's because my handwriting sucks and my spelling's even worse. I don't do them, but the other thing is the juice worth the squeeze? Right? Like if the juice is worth the squeeze and you're like, when I send this handwritten note, I get returned back, great. If it's not, there might be a more skillful, because I'm just being honest, it takes time to write that down. Then you're going to screw up and you got to rewrite it. Then you got to put a stamp on it and then you got to email it. So if it's working and you can definitively say, man, the time that I'm investing in that handwritten note is working, keep doing it. There's nothing wrong with it. You're never going to upset somebody. However, if you are taking an hour of your day to write 4 handwritten notes, lick a stamp or whatever, however they're doing it now, and get those things to the post office, and by the way, it's $852 now for a stamp, when you could have just called and said, hey, calling to see if it makes sense to move forward on the deal. It's just, is the juice worth the squeeze? That's all I care. That's all I care about is the juice worth the squeeze.
Yeah. I think it's worth the squeeze at least.
Then keep squeezing it.
Hey, Matt.
Yep.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.